Bitcoin to $130,000? Ethereum about to get flipped? Expert predictions are flying, but where should you put your money? Watch this video to find out. In the latest video from Altcoin Daily, the host discusses the potential for substantial growth in the crypto market, particularly for Ethereum and other altcoins. Bitcoin price predictions of $150,000 to $300,000 for this cycle are mentioned by various experts, including Matt Hogan and Lawrence Leard. The video highlights Raoul Pal's bullish outlook on Ethereum, comparing it to Microsoft and the dot-com boom and predicting a potential price explosion if it breaks through its current resistance level. Paul also mentions XRP and Dogecoin as having similar chart patterns. The discussion extends to the increasing global adoption of crypto, with countries like Russia, China, and Ukraine exploring its use. Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase, predicts Bitcoin could reach millions in price and emphasizes the importance of crypto as a transformative technology. The optimism surrounding Ethereum and the broader crypto market is palpable in this video, but it's important to approach such predictions with caution. While the increasing institutional interest and global adoption are positive signs, the crypto market remains volatile. Ethereum's potential explosion hinges on breaking through key resistance levels, which is not guaranteed. It's wise to conduct your own research and manage risk appropriately before investing. The comparison of Ethereum to Microsoft is interesting, but the crypto landscape is evolving rapidly, and new technologies could challenge its dominance. Diversification and a long-term perspective are crucial in navigating this dynamic market. In the latest video from CryptoRover, Bitcoin's price action is mirroring its previous rally, consolidating sideways for 8 days after a surge. He predicts a breakout next week, potentially reaching $130,000. Negative funding rates suggest traders are shorting Bitcoin, indicating a lack of market euphoria and potential for further upside. CryptoRover plans to open a short position around $130,000, citing this as the potential peak of the current cycle. He highlights positive news like the White House potentially swapping gold reserves for Bitcoin, increased inflows into Bitcoin ETFs, and decreasing sell pressure from large investors. He's bullish on Ethereum, targeting $4,000, citing falling transaction fees as a positive catalyst. While CryptoRover's optimism is infectious, relying solely on technical analysis and on-chain metrics can be risky. Recent news about the White House considering Bitcoin is intriguing, but needs further verification. The overall market sentiment seems positive, but regulatory uncertainties and macroeconomic factors could still influence Bitcoin's price. A diversified portfolio and a cautious approach are recommended. In the latest video from Lark Davis, he discusses Solana's rapid growth and potential to surpass Ethereum. Solana's market cap discount to Ethereum has shrunk from 97% to 68% in 2023. Solana's ecosystem is booming, processing $364 billion in volume in just 2 months of 2025, surpassing Ethereum and Coinbase. Solana boasts 0.44 second block times, 65,000 transactions per second, and sub-penny fees, attracting big players like PayPal and Visa. With over 100 million monthly active users, Solana is becoming the backbone of next-gen payments. Its decentralized exchange volume is double Ethereum's at $107 billion, and stablecoin activity has surged 600% year over year. 21Shares analysts estimate Solana's fair value between $520 and $1,800. Reaching $520 would put Solana at 80% of ETH current market cap, while $600 would flip ETH. Solana's dApps generated 2.5x more revenue than the network itself in the last 2 months, out-earning every other chain combined for 7 straight months. He questions if Ethereum is overvalued and Solana undervalued, highlighting Solana's full-stack ecosystem and lack of bridging needs. While acknowledging a recent ETH rally, he concludes that Solana's current discount won't last if its growth continues. Lark Davis presents a compelling case for Solana's potential. While I agree that Solana's growth is impressive, I think it's important to remember that Ethereum still holds a significant advantage in terms of established infrastructure and developer community. Looking at recent news, Ethereum's move to proof of stake has also been a significant factor contributing to its recent price surge. While Solana's lower fees and faster transaction speeds are attractive, Ethereum's security and decentralization are still highly valued by many. It's likely that both blockchains will continue to play important roles in the future of crypto. The market will ultimately decide which one prevails. In the latest video from Ben Cowen, he discusses Bitcoin dominance, arguing that it will likely continue rising. He points out that despite recent dips, Bitcoin dominance is still performing better year-to-date than in 2023 and 2024. He believes this trend is linked to ongoing quantitative tightening and the Fed funds rate being higher than the neutral rate. He predicts altcoins will continue to struggle against Bitcoin, potentially reaching range lows by summer, similar to patterns seen in previous cycles. He mentions the upcoming Bitcoin conference in Las Vegas. Ben Cowen's analysis aligns with recent market trends, with Bitcoin showing resilience amidst altcoin volatility. However, macroeconomic factors like inflation and regulatory changes, not extensively covered in the video, could also significantly impact both Bitcoin and altcoin markets. It's important to remember that market predictions, even from experienced analysts, are not guarantees. Diversification and risk management remain crucial in navigating the crypto